If you're experiencing frame stuttering while playing Fortnite, there are several quick fixes you can try to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help resolve the issue. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your specific model. Installing the latest drivers can significantly improve performance. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in Fortnite. Go to the settings menu and reduce options such as shadows, textures, and effects. Setting the resolution to a low value can also help reduce stuttering and improve frame rates. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or other games can consume system resources and lead to performance issues. Use the task manager to end these processes. Step 4. Check network connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Use a wired connection if possible, as Wi-Fi can introduce latency and packet loss. You can also run a speed test to check your internet speed and stability. Step 5. Verify game files. Use the Epic Games launcher to verify the integrity of Fortnite's game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them, which can resolve performance issues. Go to your library, click on Fortnite, and select the option to verify. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce frame stuttering and enhance your gameplay experience in Fortnite. If issues persist, consider seeking further technical support or community forums for additional solutions.